Across the country and even right here in Ohio, cases of COVID-19 are once again on the rise, and hospitalizations may not be far behind.
That means in some areas, mask mandates may once again be on the table. Thanks for staying with us tonight at 5:30. I'm Lindsay Mills in for Yolanda.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. An example of seeing that surge can be found out in Los Angeles. That's where we find Danya Backus tonight.
Los Angeles County is on the brink of what the CDC considers a high level of infection as the number of COVID hospitalizations keeps climbing.
Over the past few days, we've had to hold patients in the emergency room for 12, 24 hours until we have beds available in our hospitals. And if we continue at this pace in the next week or two, we may have to go back to those days where we were rationing care.
Health officials say the highly contagious BA.5 subvariant is fueling the uptick. People are getting sick even if they are vaccinated or recently had COVID.
It is so infectious. It's on par with the most infectious viruses we as humans have ever seen.
CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus says the variant is able to spread with just a small number of particles.
Before you needed, say, 1,000 particles. Now it's 100 particles.
If Los Angeles remains in the high category for 2 weeks straight, a mandatory indoor mask mandate will be reimposed in the county. Nationwide, the CDC predicts the number of new COVID hospitalizations will likely increase over the next month. In Wichita, Kansas, hospital officials say while admissions are up, most cases are mild.
They're being admitted to our acute care or not into the ICU.
The CDC says older Americans, those 70 and above, are faring the worst. The hospital admissions rate for that group is nearing last summer's peak. Danya Backus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Today, the Ohio Department of Health released Ohio's new numbers, and both cases and hospitalizations saw a significant increase this week. ODH reported more than 24,000 new cases this week, which is up more than 5,000 from last. Hospitalizations up more than 100 from this time last week.